Think about it. How many times have you scribbled hurried notes, desperately trying to keep up with the flow of information, only to realize you missed a critical nuance? Or perhaps you've had to reiterate the same points to different team members, wishing there was a readily available resource they could consult at their leisure. The ability to record your RingCentral meetings isn't just a convenience. It's a productivity superpower. It transforms fleeting conversations into enduring assets, making your work more efficient, your team more informed, and your knowledge base richer. Whether you're hosting a meeting or simply attending one, understanding how to record opens up a world of possibilities. For hosts, it means effortless documentation, easy sharing, and a reliable reference for future decisions. For attendees, it means never having to worry about missing key information, even if you're momentarily distracted or need to step away. It ensures everyone is on the same page, fosters accountability, and provides a powerful tool for review and training. So, are you ready to unlock this capability and truly master your RingCentral experience? Because today, we're going to dive deep into everything you need to know about recording your RingCentral meetings. We'll cover the different recording options available to you, from automatic cloud recording to local recording on your computer. We'll walk through the simple steps to initiate a recording, whether you're scheduling a meeting in advance or already in the middle of a live session. We'll also discuss how to access and manage your recordings once they're saved, including sharing them securely with others and ensuring you have enough storage space. And finally, we'll touch upon some important best practices and considerations, such as obtaining consent for recording and understanding the legal implications in your region. By the end of this video, you'll be a RingCentral recording pro, confident in your ability to capture every important moment and leverage those recordings to your advantage. Let's start with the basics. What are your recording options in RingCentral? Generally, you have two primary methods: cloud recording and local recording. Cloud recording, as the name suggests, saves your meeting directly to the RingCentral cloud. This is often the most convenient option, as it doesn't consume your local storage and recordings are easily accessible from any device with an internet connection. RingCentral typically provides a generous amount of cloud storage, and you can usually find your recordings neatly organized within your RingCentral account portal. Local recording, on the other hand, saves the meeting directly to your computer. This can be useful if you prefer to have immediate access to the file or if you have specific local storage requirements. However, it's important to remember that local recordings are tied to the device they were recorded on, and you'll need to manage the file yourself if you want to share it or move it to another location. Most users find cloud recording to be the more streamlined and efficient option for general use. Now, let's talk about how to actually initiate a recording. The process is remarkably straightforward, whether you're starting a new meeting or are already in one. If you're scheduling a meeting in advance, you can enable automatic cloud recording right from the scheduling options. When you're setting up your meeting details, look for a checkbox or an option that says Record Meeting Automatically or something similar. Ticking this box means the recording will start as soon as the meeting begins, so you don't have to remember to hit record manually. This is fantastic for recurring meetings or those where you know you'll always want a recording. What if you're already in a live meeting and decide you want to start recording? No problem at all. In the meeting controls at the bottom of your RingCentral meeting window, you'll typically see a record button. It often looks like a circular icon with a dot in the middle, or simply the word record. Clicking this button will give you the option to choose between record to the cloud or record to this computer, assuming both options are enabled for your account. Select your preferred method, and the recording will begin. You'll usually see an indicator, like a flashing red light or a recording message, letting everyone in the meeting know that the session is being captured. To stop the recording, simply click the record button again, and it will give you the option to pause or stop. Once your meeting is over, where do these recordings go? If you opted for cloud recording, your recording will typically be processed and made available in your RingCentral online account. You can usually access these by logging into your RingCentral portal, navigating to the Meetings or Recordings section, and there you'll find a list of your completed recordings. From there, you can view them, download them, share them via a link, or even delete them if they're no longer needed. RingCentral often provides options to password protect your shared recordings or set an expiration date, adding an extra layer of security and control. If you chose local recording, The meeting file will be saved to a designated folder on your computer. RingCentral usually creates a specific folder for recordings, often within your Documents or Videos folder, making it easy to locate. You can then open the file using a standard media player or upload it to a cloud storage service if you wish to share it. Now, a crucial point: consent and privacy. Before you hit that record button, it's absolutely vital to consider obtaining consent from all participants. Depending on your location and the nature of the meeting, recording a conversation without consent might even have legal implications. While RingCentral does display an indicator to participants that a meeting is being recorded, it's always best practice to verbally announce at the beginning of the meeting that you intend to record it and to ask if anyone has objections. Transparency builds trust and ensures everyone is comfortable with the recording process. For internal team meetings, your company might have a standing policy, but for external meetings, especially with clients or new contacts, a quick verbal heads-up is always appreciated and professionally sound. Also, be mindful of your storage limits. While RingCentral offers generous cloud storage, it's not infinite. Regularly review your past recordings and delete any that are no longer necessary to free up space. You can also download important recordings and save them to your local storage or another cloud service if you want to keep them indefinitely without consuming your RingCentral allocation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.